Hey, this is Daniel O'Connor. Today I'm talking about the 5-year look-back period, which is a rule or concept that applies in the context of seniors who are applying for Medicaid to pay for nursing home care. And you may have heard of this before, and the general rule is that anything you give away within 5 years of your application for Medicaid to pay for your nursing home care is going to result in a penalty. What that means is, let's just say you have $200,000 and you don't want to use that money to pay for the nursing home, but you need to go in the nursing home like right now. Well, you can't just give the money away. The government expects, and understandably so, that if you have the resources to pay for your nursing home care, the expectation is you'll use those resources to pay for your nursing home care. And Medicaid is reserved for those people who are impoverished and don't really have any money. There's some exceptions to this, but such as your home, although Medicaid can collect on that after your death, and there are a few other exceptions beyond the scope of this video. But in short, any gift, no matter what size it is, it doesn't matter if it's a $100 gift or a $100,000 gift, Medicaid, when you apply for Medicaid for your nursing home care, they're going to ask you for each of the gifts you made, and you've got to list those. And any gift you make is going to result in some form of penalty. Now, the number in Georgia, the last one that was published, and this is very early in 2023, is $9,034, which is something close to the average month of nursing home care. That's sort of roughly what they base it on. For every $9,034 you gave away in the 60-month period leading up to your application to Medicaid, it's going to create a 1-month penalty period in which you will not qualify for Medicaid. So if you have given away a total of $150,000 within the 60 months leading up to your application, that means you're going to have about a 16.5-month delay in qualifying for Medicaid, which could be disastrous if the level of your care is something that you don't have the money for because you've given away and now you have no control over it. And that's a bad spot to be in. So just giving things away without thinking about it is a mistake, and that's why you should meet with an attorney. If you want to give things away because you want to protect your assets, the time to do that is a long time before you might need nursing home care. But even then, maybe giving it away completely is not necessarily a smart move. It's probably not. You should meet with an elder law attorney who can counsel you and evaluate your options on a deep level and really give you options that can create a big return on your investment of time and resources and getting professional help to ensure, one, that you get the care that you need during your life and you're not just scrounging by on pennies and giving bare bottom care, and two, that if it's a desire of yours to protect certain family assets for your descendants, that you can protect those. So those are things that you should plan ahead for way in advance and meet with an attorney now, I would say. Now, even if you're in a disastrous situation, you don't have 60 months, there are certain things you can do to limit your exposure. You have less options, but still, please meet with an attorney. And I hope if funding your long-term care is a concern of yours, that's certainly worth working with an attorney on. And I'd be happy to do that with you if you're in my area, or if not, please meet with somebody who is knowledgeable on elder law issues.